Each Qualisports USA e-bike is 95% pre-assembled, and you just need to make a few adjustments for a better experience. Check the inside and outside of the package. If there's any damage, please contact us at support@qualisports.us. Take out the accessory box. Take out the charger. Take out the first battery. Take out the second battery. Take out the key of the second battery. Plug the handlebar stem into this tube. Stop at the position marked number. You can adjust the distance according to your height. Close the clamp here. Pull the stem upright and close the clamp to secure it. Also, ensure to close the small safety buckle. Loosen the handlebar clamp. Adjust the handlebars to the position you want, and pull down the center clamp to lock the position. Ensure it's safely locked. Put the display right side up. Start by unfolding your Dolphin. Lock the clamp and the safety buckle here. Lower the kickstand. Unfold both pedals to a certain angle. Keep unfolding the pedal while pressing it. Loosen the seat post clamp. Put the cable into the seat post, then slowly slide the battery down. When you adjust it to the desired height, close the clamp. After you unlock the middle tube, you can add the second battery. Please keep the upside mark upward. Slide it into the bike tube. Press the button here to power it on, and you will see the battery status. Pull out the handle to confirm if it is securely locked. You can use the key to unlock the battery, and pull out the handle. Use the key to rotate the key, and use the other hand to hold the handle, then pull out the battery. Please be careful when you move like this. Prepare these accessories for the next step. Rotate the top piece. Put the saddle on the holder. Swivel the top piece again to let the saddle be clamped. You can adjust the saddle to the desired angle. Use the Allen key to tighten it up. Prepare these parts for the rear light installation. Loosen the nut on the rear light. Put the middle hole of this holder into the screw. Install the nut back into the screw, and tighten it up. Prepare 2 screws. Use a screwdriver to tighten them up. Make sure they are securely mounted. Slightly turn the rear light to make it face behind. Here you can see the minimum height from the saddle to the ground. The minimum height from saddle to ground is 32.68 inches. Unlock the clamp, and lift the seat post battery. Then lock it. The maximum height from the saddle to ground is 39.37 inches. There is a distance of 7 inches to stretch. You can push and pull it within this range. Connect the battery cable. Please check the plug, align it with the connector, and push in slowly. Here is our pre-installation of the front lamp. You can keep this way to install your lamp. You just need to use a wrench to hold one side, and use the Allen key to tie in the screw. If you need to install your fender, you should unscrew the long bolt here. Target 2 holes of the front fender to front fork. Put the long bolt through the hole of light. Then put the long bolt through the housing. Add a washer and a nut to the end of the long bolt. Use a wrench to hold the back, and use the Allen key to tighten the front. Prepare these parts for the rear fender installation. Prepare these parts. Put the 2-hole washer under the fender, and put the U-look snap on the top. Use a screw to fix it. Put a bracket into the seam. Put the other screw to fix it. Let's do the same with the other bracket. You need to loosen the 2 screws for the installation. Use the Allen key to unscrew them. Aim the brackets to the 2 holes correctly. The short one locates in front, while the longer behind it. Finish with an Allen key. Fine-tune the position of the rear fender. You can use the Allen key to tighten it. Loosen the center clamp of the handlebar, rotate it to a desired position and reclamp it. Loosen the handlebar stem, and lower it down. Push the pedals towards the crank arm, and fold the pedals downwards. Loosen the clamp on the seat post, lower the saddle and reclamp. Loosen the safety buckle, and the clamp here. Release the kickstand, fold the frame by joining both wheels together.